In today's news, the long-term implications of the developments occurring in this space right now is much bigger than you can imagine. In this first post from XRP Drops, it highlights this very big video covering BlackRock tokenizing its fund on the public Ethereum blockchain as an inflection point. An inflection point in the industry because it is BlackRock who is doing it, the largest financial asset manager in the world. Pay very close attention.
That the largest asset manager in the world decided to take one of their funds and tokenize it on the public Ethereum blockchain, which I also agree with you guys. I read the post you guys did yesterday. This is a bigger deal than most people think. And we've done a lot of tokenization projects over the years, probably more than anybody else. But I think this is really an inflection point in the industry because of the importance of the company doing it, but also how it was done. It's a big deal, and I hope crypto people realize about it.
Beyond stablecoins, now into short-term treasuries, maybe then like medium-term treasuries, maybe then like long-term treasuries, and then after that, like it's quite a lot number of things.
Credit is the next one, right? So if you look at the tokenized credit, is the largest asset class after tokenized. So it's tokenized cash, as you said. That's the number one. Then you have tokenized, treasury, money market funds, those kind of instruments of different durations. I think some of the companies have like multiple variations of the same product. But then credit is the next one that has less liquidity but higher yield.
This is a very, very big deal. Tokenization as well is a market which Ripple and XRP are targeting alongside the cross-border payments. And it is also very likely that ex-Ripple employee Robert Mitchnick, who is now the head of digital assets at BlackRock, had a part to play in this. The long-term implications of these developments are huge, but it's not just BlackRock. As we can see in this post from Cyprus, I don't think people understand the long-term implications of what this means. It's not every day we get to see the birth of a new asset class, being cryptocurrencies effectively and XDC, nor do we get to see ones that already exist, being SMBC, with trillions of dollars finally pick up interest because of updated tech, again being XDC. So the SMBC group, who is confirmed to be the venue sponsor for the second annual Trade and Investment Forum hosted by BCR in partnership with ITFA, and they will be discussing how the sector is currently interacting with investors, whether the Electronic Trade Document Act, which passed last year, has succeeded in becoming a catalyst for trade finance turning into a desirable asset class. They're going to be talking about transforming trade finance instruments into digital asset tokens, and that has the potential to open up the purchase of trade finance assets to a much wider market. This event is taking place in less than 2 weeks' time. We can see the organisers are BCR and ITFA, venue sponsors SMBC, and many other institutional partners and sponsors. And ITFA is in partnership and runs off the XDC network. Very big news for XDC. So again, it is utility tokens, not just XRP, but assets like it, XDC, XLM and so on, the ones that are making a difference, playing the long game, that will be the ones to survive the inevitable crypto culling, the ones that will be incorporated into the new monetary system, and therefore these assets can't remain dirt cheap.